Hello friends, so here you can see on the screen I have drawn a shape. Basically I have drawn this shape with the help of line tools basically. So you can see when you selecting the of this basically sides of this shape, you can just select the individual. Basically all the lines are not joined because I have drawn this shape with the help of line. Now if I just wanted to convert this shape into polyline so that I just click anywhere on the line, then entire shape will be selected. So for that I will type here a command PEDIT PEDIT. See on the top here is the PEDIT command comes. Just click here. Now it is asking you to select any polygon. So just click on this any of the line and just press, and now it is saying you to do you want to turn it into one. So yes, you need to type here on the right side. You see on the right side on the whiteboard, you can see near on the right side here you need to type Y and then press enter. So now here are some more options are open. You just need to click here on the join. So just click here on the join. Now it is asking you to select the object. So which object you basically wanted to join, you need to select that. Now just press enter. Just press enter twice, and now you just see, if you click on this object, basically any of the lines, see, if you click anywhere on this basically object, this complete object is getting selected. So that's how you can use PEDIT command.